radian to degree. We use the formula radian 180 over pi. To get the degree of 2 pi over 5, copy the given 2 pi over 5. Use the formula 180 over pi. Cancel the pi. Then multiply 2 times 180 over 5. So 360 divided 5 over 72. So the degree of the given region 2 pi over 5 is 72 degrees. Second example, 7 pi over 3. Copy the given. Use the formula 180 over pi. Cancel the pi. 7 times 180 is equals to 1260 over 3. So 1260 divided 3 is 420 degrees. So the degree of the given region 7 pi over 3 is 420 degrees. The third example, 6 pi over 5. Copy the given. Use the formula 180 over pi. Cancel the pi. 6 times 180 is equals to 1180 divided 5 equals 216 degree. So the degree of the 6 pi over 5 is 216. So fourth example, copy the given 15 pi over 4. Use the formula 180 over pi. Cancel the pi. 15 times 180 is equals to 'use your calculator to get. So 2700 over 4. It becomes 600.